Anchor tents and clear spans. Built here, supported here, trusted everywhere. From elegant weddings to large-scale events, our tents and clear span structures are trusted across the globe for their quality, durability, and performance. Choosing American-made isn't just patriotic, it's practical. Our products are built in the USA with precision and pride. We provide our customers with short lead times, in-stock inventory, and service that continues long after delivery. We make sure you have what you need when and where you need it. Whether you're covering 200 people or 20,000, Anchor tents are designed for fast installs, seamless operation, and long-term performance. From pole tents to clear spans, we engineer solutions for every space and every challenge. Trusted by rental pros, event planners, and installation teams worldwide. Anchor tents and clear span structures, built to perform, built to last, built in America.